In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from your Android phone or from your mobile phone to your PC or laptop. Now this is going to be super easy for you guys. Just follow the steps that I'm going to do. And if you find this video useful, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also to like this video. Thank you guys. Now to get this done, first of all, you need to go to your Google Play Store on your Android phone. Just launch your Play Store. Then go to search. Then search for Extender. Now if you already have this app on your phone, you don't need to reinstall it again. You just need to update, check whether if it is up to date. Now as you can see, mine, it is already up to date. Now once you've installed this app on your phone, just tap on open. Then it will land you to this interface. Now you need to tap on those three lines on your top right corner. Then tap on connect to. Then it will land you here. So you need to go to your phone settings. Just launch your control panel at the top there. Then you need to go to your settings. Then you need to scroll down. Then go to mobile networks. Then go to personal hotspot. Then you need to set your personal hotspot. You need to set the device name. Just tap on it. Then enter the name of the device, the name that you want to use as the device for your hotspot. Then tap OK. Then tap on password. Then you need to set the password for your hotspot. Now once you've set your password for your hotspot, tap OK. Then once you've done that, now you need to close, or you need to turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you need to turn on your hotspot there. So your hotspot is active. It can be found by any other device. So once you've done that, you need now to go to your PC. Then go to your taskbar. Click on that. Then you are going to see your hotspot there. Just click on it. Then click on connect. If you tap on it, you are going to see the name of the device there. So you need to go back. Then go back to, then close this one. Then you need to go back to your Extender. Just go back to Extender. Then you need to tap on next. Then it will bring you to this interface. Now you need to tap on connect to web. Then it will bring you to this interface. Now you need to you see this IP address. You need now to enter it on your PC. You can use any web browser. You can use any web browser. So you need to open any web browser on your PC. So you need to launch your web browser, Google Chrome or Firefox, anyone, doesn't matter. So I'm going to use Google Chrome here. Then there on the search engine, you need now to enter. Let me just push this one this side. Then there on the search engine, you need to enter this IP address that is on your phone. So it is 192.168.43.1. Then you can put that colon. Then 33.45.5. Then tap on enter. Then accept on your phone. Then here you can click on confirm. Then tap on OK on your phone. So you are going to see the files on your phone here. As you can see, this is the file on your phone. These are images. This is home. These are images. These are videos. These are music or audios. So in order for you to transfer any file from your phone, you just need to go to where the file is here on Chrome. Let's say I want to transfer some documents. I'll just go to files. Then I'll go to where my documents are. I can just click on attachment. Then I'll select the file that I want to transfer from my Android to my PC. So I'll just select the file. Let's say this is the file. Then you'll need to click on this download button here. Don't worry, it doesn't use internet, as you can see at the bottom there. As you can see at the bottom here, there is no internet required. So just click on download, select the file, then click on this download button here on your left. Then as you can see, you can keep this. You can just click on keep in order to download the file, because you know the source where this file is being downloaded from. So if you go to your folder, you can just click on folder, and you see the file has already been downloaded here without the use of internet or without the use of cable. So in order to transfer files from your PC to your Android phone, you just need to go to your file explorer. Just minimize this. Then I'll go to my file explorer. Then you can choose the file that you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer this Excel file to my Android. I'll just launch this back again. Then you just need to click on the file. Just click on the file, then hold it and then drag it to the location of your Android phone. Just as I have done that, and you can see on your Android phone that the file has already been transferred to your Android. That's it, guys. That's how you can simply transfer files from your Android to your PC, and also from your PC to your Android without using a data cable or without using USB cable. So if you have found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also to like this video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.